Hi, and thank you for choosing Ridgetop Exteriors. I'm Larry Gebhart, Ridgetop's founder, and I want to personally thank you for giving us a chance to provide you with a free, no obligation estimate. Ridgetop is a local, family-owned business serving communities for decades. Today, I want to walk you through our estimate process. First, we'll tell you what makes us an award-winning company. Then we'll conduct a thorough needs analysis to make sure we understand exactly what you're looking for. Then it's time to perform a close inspection of your home's exteriors, which is absolutely free. We'll share the inspection results with you and help you find the product options that fit both your needs and your budget. Finally, you get a detailed written estimate, clear, transparent, and easy to understand. Our goal at Ridgetop Exteriors is to make your project seamless and stress-free. And we're here to guide you every step of the way. Once again, thank you for this opportunity. We look forward to making your home look and feel like new without the hassle of moving. See you soon.
Ridgetop Exteriors.